Yo, what's up? It's Andrew at Meseroll Shop. We're here today. We're gonna build up this new Sunday Baker Skateboards 29-inch big BMX bike. Apparently there were only 420 of these suckers made. I don't know if that's like a half container or a full container or where that number came from. Yeah, they're pretty limited. We only got our hands on 3, so we're gonna pull it out, get it built, and show you what it's all about. Might have to build that one up later. Pretty cool seat. It's a cool color. It's like a cream, off-white. Oh, there she is. Like Randy said, we're heavy on the grease. Grease is your friend. Use it in heavy doses. Gonna get this thing up in the stand. I'm just gonna snap all of the packing materials off. Packing's off, let's get this thing built up. Check out these tires, Maxxis torch tire. Pretty lightweight, smooth tread. These are called lawyer tabs. Nice Sunday forged top load stem. Little bike shop hack. Rather than sitting here and trying to fumble with it, drop them down, let them go. If you run brakes and you want your brakes to work good, you gotta get some tri-flow. All right, this stuff works wonders on brakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or so. Give it a little action. Do this 5 or 6 times. You got an air compressor, you can zap it through. Same thing back here, drop it in. Line up our barrel adjuster, just like that. Pop it in there, boom. Come back here to the cable. Pull it pretty tight, you know. Snug it at first, make sure you're where you wanna be. That's close enough. Next up, we gotta put the pedals on. There is a right and a left pedal. They're threaded differently. Get it on here. Let the bike help you here, all right? You see this? Shout out to my guy Frenchie, Meseroll intern. Been teaching him some mechanic skills on some bikes, and he's got it pretty good. So he at least knows how to put the pedals in, right, Frenchie? Oh man, Patanga, man, my favorite breakfast spot. All right, if you're in Brooklyn, you gotta check them out, Patanga. Warning: pushers and pedalers in the area. So this bike turned out pretty dope. It's a really cool color, kind of like a natural beige almost. What I really love about these Sunday Completes 29 high Cs, they have a full 100% chromoly frame and fork and handlebar. It's stronger and lighter, and it's basically what like regular 20-inch BMX bikes are built out of. The brakes on here, they use a V-brake. I love the V-brake just because it's got a good power and a good feel. Another thing I like about these Sunday 29s is they put a 3/8 axle in the back, freewheel rear hub. It just makes it a little bit easier for maintaining it. 3-piece crank, Sunday sprocket, 27 tooth, Odyssey twisted platform pedals. These are legendary BMX pedals. Steel bearings in the front and the rear wheel, bottom bracket, integrated headset. Can't go wrong. This bike's pretty dialed in. Of course, the seat, that signature Baker logo all over print. Pretty sick bike all in all. What do we do with a bike that's a collaboration with a skateboard? Duh, we take it to Blue Park right across the street. Let's go try to do something. Yo, all in all, the bike's super dope, super fun to ride around on. Luckily, we found a real skateboarder to rip the board up because my moves weren't cutting it. Go follow my man Jose on Instagram, all right? And yo, thanks, man, I appreciate it.